Hey guys, it's a few days past January 1st, but Happy New Year anyway. In this video, I'm going to talk about how we're going to kick off the new year on Next Level Gardening, what you can expect going forward this year, and introduce you to a new gardening companion. Our new season will be kicking off this Saturday, the 13th, and we will have videos every Saturday and Sunday going forward. Now this past year, we shortened our video length to about 5 minutes. That was starting in July. Now some of you loved that, and some of you were looking for longer videos. So this year, we're gonna do one of each every week. A short video around 5 minutes, and then something a little bit longer. One of the things I'm really excited about this year is starting our brand new vegetable garden from scratch. I'm gonna take you guys through it from A to Z to go from bare ground to a productive garden in one season. Now, I know a lot of you are either starting out brand new this year gardening, so this should be a big help to you, or you've had a garden for a while, maybe it's not as productive as you like. You're gonna get a lot of good tips to bump up that productiveness, or maybe you've been gardening, but you're starting a new spot just like I am. So we're gonna turn this bare spot into a nice, productive vegetable garden. We're also gonna be continuing the development of our cottage garden, as well as breaking ground on our brand new formal English garden. So this year, I hope we can inspire each other, we can have lots of fun, and that fun is gonna start with my brand new garden companion. Now, if you watch our videos on our second channel, Next Level Homestead, this is not gonna be any surprise to you. But a few months back, we welcomed a new addition to our property for a specific job. However, a great byproduct of that has been a very loyal garden companion. She's at my heels every day, all day, as long as I'm outside. So I want to introduce you to Bella. This is the best dog on earth, well, other than yours, of course. And we have so much fun in the garden, and you, if you don't know her already, you're gonna get to know her. She's a big, huge, she's still a puppy. She's gonna get quite a bit bigger than this, but she is a Maremma sheepdog. And the reason we got her was to help protect the livestock on our growing little homestead here. Now, one of those animals that Bella is charged in protecting is our brand new mini calf, Daisy. But wait, there's more. She also looks after the inhabitants of this charming English cottage. And that would be our flock of breakfast producers, our chickens. They're also great fertilizer factories. And then some more fertilizer producers we've got inside here. Our little mini lops. So remember, starting this coming Saturday the 13th, flowers, fruit, and vegetables, all here on Next Level Gardening. I'll see you then.